Welcome to this important video on cyber frauds using mobile applications. This is not just another video, this is a crucial guide that can protect you, your family, and your friends from becoming victims of cybercrime. Did you know that cyber criminals are getting smarter every day? With just one wrong click or one unsafe app download, you could lose your hard-earned money, personal data, or even become a victim of identity theft. But don't worry, we've got you covered. I urge you to watch this video till the very end because every second of this video contains life-saving information. If you skip any part, you might miss a crucial tip that could protect you from a cyber scam. And here's how you can be a hero in this fight against cybercrime. Like this video, comment with your thoughts, and most importantly, share it with your loved ones. Spreading awareness can save someone from losing their money or personal data. Let's work together to build a cyber-safe community. Now, let's dive into the preventive measures against cyber frauds using mobile applications. Preventive measures against cyber frauds using mobile applications. General best practices for all users. Download apps only from official sources. Always install applications from trusted sources such as the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Avoid downloading app installation files like APKs from unknown websites. Keep your apps and OS updated regularly. Update your mobile applications and operating system to fix security vulnerabilities and ensure you have the latest protections. Enable two-factor authentication. Use two-factor authentication for banking and other sensitive applications to add an extra layer of security. Even if someone cracks your password, they would still need the second factor like a code on your phone to access your account. Be cautious with app permissions. Only grant permissions that are necessary for an app to function properly. For example, a simple game or calculator app should not need access to your contacts, messages, or location. Decline or disable permissions that seem excessive. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for transactions. Public Wi-Fi networks are not secure and can be easily compromised by attackers. For any banking or other sensitive transactions, use your mobile data or a trusted secure network. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN to encrypt your connection. Install a trusted security app. Use a reputable mobile security or antivirus application to help detect and block malware or malicious activities on your phone. Keep this security app updated for the best protection. Do not click on suspicious links. Avoid clicking on links or attachments from unknown or unexpected messages, emails, or social media posts. These could be phishing attempts designed to trick you into revealing information or downloading malware. Beware of fake or copycat apps. Cybercriminals create fake apps that mimic real ones such as banking or payment apps. Always check the app reviews, the developer name, and the number of downloads before installing. Fake apps often have poor reviews or low download counts. When in doubt, go directly to the official company website to find the legitimate app. Never share sensitive information. Do not provide personal or financial details such as bank account numbers, PINs, passwords, or one-time passwords through any unofficial app or in response to unsolicited calls or messages. Legitimate banks and companies will never ask for your full password or OTP via phone calls or random pop-ups in apps. Monitor your bank transactions regularly. Keep an eye on your bank and credit card statements or use your bank official app to review transactions. Regular monitoring helps you spot any unauthorized transactions quickly so you can report them immediately. Report suspicious apps or activity. If you suspect an application is malicious or you notice any fraudulent activity on your accounts, stop using the app and uninstall it. Report the incident to the App Store and to cybersecurity authorities or your bank. Reporting helps warn others and allows authorities to take action against fraudsters. Additional precautions for students. Be cautious with free offers. Some gaming and educational apps might promise free rewards, bonus content, or cheats in exchange for personal information or downloading other apps. Be wary of these tactics. Avoid sharing sensitive data just to get something free, as it could be a trick to collect your information or infect your device. Use strong and unique passwords. Create strong passwords that are hard to guess for all your accounts. Avoid using easy clues like your name, birth date, or simple sequences like 12,345. Use a different password for each app or account. If you have trouble remembering them, consider using a trusted password manager to securely store your login details. Limit what you share on social media. Think twice before posting personal details like your full name, address, phone number, class schedule, or daily routines on social media. Fraudsters can use information you share publicly to answer security questions, guess passwords, or tailor scams aimed at you. Share personal info only with people you know and trust, and review your privacy settings on social networks. Beware of fake scholarship and internship offers. Always verify the legitimacy of apps or websites that claim to offer scholarships, student loans, or internships. Scammers might create fake opportunities to lure students. If an offer sounds too good to be true or asks for upfront fees or card details, it is a red flag. Check with your school career center or official scholarship organizations to confirm if an opportunity is real before you provide any information. Avoid using shared devices for sensitive transactions. Try not to perform banking, online shopping, or other sensitive transactions on public or shared devices like library computers or a friend's phone. These devices might have malware or could save your login info. If you must use a shared device, always log out of your accounts, never save passwords on the browser, and clear the browsing data after you finish. This helps ensure no one can access your information afterward. Additional precautions for senior citizens. Ask for help when unsure. If you receive an unexpected app download request, message, or phone call that you do not fully understand or that seems suspicious, pause and seek help. Consult a trusted family member, friend, or caregiver before responding or clicking anything. It is always better to double-check with someone you trust than to fall victim to a scam. Be wary of unfamiliar calls and messages. Scammers often call or text pretending to be bank officials, government agencies, or tech support. They may create a sense of urgency or fear to pressure you. Do not trust caller ID alone as it can be faked. If someone asks for personal information or instructs you to install an app over a call or message, do not proceed immediately. Hang up and call back using an official phone number from your bank statement or official website to verify if the request was genuine. Enable transaction alerts. Contact your bank to enable SMS or email alerts for all transactions on your accounts. This way, you will receive a notification whenever there is any activity such as withdrawals, purchases, or transfers. Prompt alerts help you notice unauthorized transactions right away, so you can inform the bank before more damage is done. Use user-friendly, secure apps. Stick to using official and well-known applications, especially for banking, payments, or shopping. Choose apps that have clear, easy-to-use interfaces and high ratings from many users. If an application is too confusing or asks you to do things you do not understand, it could be unsafe. It is okay to avoid or uninstall apps that make you uncomfortable and seek out simpler alternatives with good security reputations. Be cautious with investment and loan apps. Fraudulent schemes targeting seniors often come disguised as investment tips, miracle health product offers, or easy loan approvals via mobile apps. Be skeptical of any app that promises unusually high returns or quick money. Always verify such offers with a licensed financial advisor or discuss with family members before taking any action. Never transfer money or share bank details with an investment or loan app that has not been confirmed as legitimate. Attend cybersecurity awareness programs. Make use of workshops or seminars offered by community centers, banks, or senior organizations about online safety. Many local communities and libraries offer classes in person or online tailored for seniors to learn how to use smartphones and the internet safely. Participating in these programs can help you stay updated on common scams and learn simple steps to protect yourself. You will gain confidence in using mobile apps and know what red flags to watch out for. Your role in preventing cyber fraud. This video is not just for you. It's for everyone you care about. By sharing this video, you are actively helping in the fight against cyber fraud. Let's make sure that no one we know falls into these traps. Share this video right now. If you or someone you know has faced a similar situation, share your experience in the comments. Together, we can create a cyber-safe world.